Hey y'all, I'm Gabby, a junior nursing student at Wittenberg. Follow along to spend the day with me. I start off by heading across campus to grab breakfast at the Science Center Cafe. Since I did not have clinical, I was able to get a later start to my day. For breakfast, I had a yogurt parfait, but there are plenty of options like the campus favorite breakfast sandwiches. Since the weather was super nice, I ate my breakfast and reviewed my class notes on the lawn. Josie came to join me in the sunshine, and we were able to talk through the skills we learned in lab as well as what we have been learning during lecture. Bridget came to meet us with my puppy, Zeke, and we took him for a walk around campus for a little study break and some exercise. This is a great time for my friends and I to de-stress and catch up. I then ran home and changed into my scrubs and grabbed a quick snack before going to lab. Today I had simulation lab. This is when the professors create a patient scenario and we are assigned different roles such as a primary nurse, charge nurse, and tech. During this, we help to stabilize the patient and help treat their priority problems at this time. It is a great hands-on learning experience for all of us since it simulates a real patient situation in which we are the nurses providing care. In the evenings, I typically use this time to decompress and take a few moments for myself. Thanks for spending the day with me. Always remember, if you want something bad enough, you will achieve it. My grandma always says, you gotta wanna.